Right. I think we are good to go here. I think everything is nice and set up now. Pretty sure the mic is working as well. Everything should be good and ready. I think we're good. So what's going on, everybody? Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. I'm happy to be here with you guys. Sorry for the delay. So I was a little bit late. I had some stuff to take care of, and I just thought I would have time, and I ended up not having time to take care of it in time for the stream. So how's Asia streaming so far? Pretty good, man. I can't complain. I think yesterday I was up 600-ish. I think the day before their last Friday I was up a K, one band. Not bad, really not bad. So right now we're gonna be looking for shorts, right? Obviously our 89 and our 42 are super bearish here. No real reason to look for longs. We are just gonna be waiting for that divergent triangle here, and then once we get that, we'll get it going here. We do have a super AO here and a headshot alongside. We have a bunch of. I'm gonna send it short right now. Little entry position here. Stop will go above that AO that we just printed. Willing to enter slightly more here on that play. Super bearish here on the pullback. Big pullback up in our MACD. Bearish everywhere. Ready DD on our 42. And we have our one that's printing double pink AO with the ready DD. Another AO and ready DD with the pink AO here. And another ready DD here with the pink AO. So, or with a pink dot and a red AO. So, right now, just looking for a small play here. Looking to maybe catch 20 ticks-ish. And we'll be happy with that. What's good, Missile? How you doing, bro? Good to see you. As soon as we get our bullish signal, we'll be out of there. We are at the bottom of the channel here, which is a little bit scary, but should be fine if everything's fine, basically. An Enigma short comes in now. Ooh. I mean, I'm not going to go any more heavier here on this position, but I'm happy to see that we got an Enigma short. We are a little bit fast here, apparently, so we will have to take the one here with a grain of salt. We are bouncing off of that volume 2-3 here, but I don't mind what I'm seeing at all right now. I'd love to see it move down here, possible hearing some booms on the way down to our estimated target of 20 ticks here for the Enigma. Catch maybe a half bag there and then see what happens there next. Ooh, big move up. Another AO Prince, and we bounce off the top of the channel and the AO right there. I'm still hearing those clacks though. Bro, what is on your screen? What's on my screen? Oh, it's the first time you see it. This is the AlgoBox stream at night here, where we test out, or we trade with the algorithmic trading here. We have the AO and the divergent triangle finally printed here. We're gonna wait to hear some booms and we're gonna enter. But yeah, basically it's just an algorithmic system on NinjaTrader that I like to trade with at night. Yeah. It's not what I train in the Discord. It's not what pays my bills, but it is a super good tool that I'm eager to learn. And I am still learning this, but I've been trading for 8 years and I'm new to this for like 6 months. I've been trading this for like 6 months, trying it out at night. And it just feels hold on. Sorry about that. It just feels like a video game. And I play like a video game and it feels great and I win most of the times. So we like that. We're gonna go on the 2 here because the 1's a little too fast, as you guys can see right there. We did get our divergent triangle here. We're looking for short. We're bearish on every time frame. Let's see if we can catch something here. Let's see if we can catch a dub. Ready to do next play. We're probably gonna take. And delta on the 3 as well. We're gonna go on the 4 here. If you have any question, Brave Boy, let me know. They have a 2-week free trial as well if you want to try it out. AO down on the 4 here. Can we get something on our 2 to enter short off that ready DD that we got right there? We did get one on the 4 as well, but pink red dot. All right, we'll enter here. Stop above the dot. Right there. And targeting around, I'd say 20-30 ticks would be good. If I can hear a boom, I might actually end up adding a little bit to this position here. But only if I hear a boom on my audio box. It's pretty much like a pit noises from the orders on the market. We're looking good here off that dot top of channel. Red DD that printed an AO on the 4 and the divergence triangle on the 6. We did just get the PRZ to print. Little scary here. So this is NJ, yeah, Ninja Trader right there. We did just get a PRZ to print. Could have to position or take fully out here, but just gonna wait. Honestly, we didn't get anything bullish yet to print, so we're just gonna wait. If something bullish prints, though, we might consider just flattening our position here. Or if it goes to our stop loss, and that's unfortunate, but it is what it is. Oh, I heard the boom. I heard the first boom in a while here. Oh, we like that. Too slow here on the 2. That's fine. Oh my god, I'm hearing some more booms. There we go. Green dot here. Yeah, on that headshot, we're gonna get out there. Back in profit here a little bit. The boom is it's the audio box. I don't know why you guys can hear it. It makes a noise when big orders are placed, just like it does in the pit when you're actually there. And when it goes clack, it means there's a lot of buy orders coming in. If it goes boom, there's a lot of sell orders coming in. It's kind of annoying that you can't hear it. It goes here, hold on. Hold on, let me hook you up. Click on this link here, right? And then this is gonna pop up. I don't know if you're gonna see it actually. Hold up. Yeah, this is gonna pop up, right? And then you can search audio box right there, Flowmaster audio box, right there, and then you can hear it. Like if you see on the video, this is basically what it is. And then you can kind of listen to it and stuff and see what it sounds like for yourself. But yeah, that's basically it. And we're still on a moderate sell here. AlgoBox has shorts favorable. We have our thing. We have the pullback right now. We're getting a nice little pullback off that Ready D, AO, and the dot. We have a nice PRZ right there, top of channel, and the dot. We're going to wait. We're going to see if we want to send it more short here. Delta on the 42. Big move possible here to go short. Super huge, actually. Would love nothing more than to get it. I'm going to get some entries here on top of channel. Very small positions here. Stop is right above where we entered. I'm surprised there was no dot here off that leg, but maybe there will be. You never know. I'm looking for opposing signal here. I'm hearing some booms. I love it. Hearing some booms and loving it. I'm going to go break even at this point. There's no reason to really be a part of this risk here. When pressure really just melts until we get something bullish, and then at that point I'm just out. Failed my order right there. Unfortunate. Unfortunate there. It's fine though. It's all good. AlgoBox is honestly awesome. I used to scalp like 5 years back. Maybe no, even more than that. Like I was very unprofitable then, but like 6 years maybe. And if I had AlgoBox back then, bro, I probably would have made it off that right there. Probably would have made it right there. There's a bullish Gartley here. Looking for something more. Would love to see a push back higher a little bit here. I'm hearing those pit noises still, those booms. A lot of them actually. I see the crab. I'm about to maybe add an order. AO and Enigma. Oh, and the PRZ. Ooh. A lot of things going on. Might add short on the target here because I think we are bearish. But I do think that there is a potential to get some ticks off this move here, bullish. And then from there, like this move right here, this dot right there got 44 ticks, right? And then us leaving the top of the channel here was kind of mid. Pretty mid move by me. Ooh. All right, usually these things delete by themselves. Weird. Bullish Ready DD here on the 4, but I don't really care. Although we have the AO, the Gartley, and the Enigma, and the Ready DD. I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do have the PRZ below, and we have bearish overall. About to enter King's timing on the 4. If you guys have any questions, don't be shy. Drop them in the comments, or on comments, but in the chat. I'll answer that shit. Liquidity split. There's our target. We're gonna stop one order right there off the target. Could always add on top of channel and then put stop above here somewhere. If we get a flip on that trend there, like somewhere around here, the stop, right? Rather wide stop here. Looking for some, just a bit of ticks. Possible add as well. There we go. All right, now we're gonna go break even. Dash all the way down to this PRZ here. As soon as it turns to our color, we're gonna slap the exit. We are at the bottom of the channel though. Wait, all right, we're gonna get fully out there. We're gonna get fully out there. See that? Enigma AO went to its target, entered right there off that. Bang. How many ticks there? Caught nice little 40 tick to move down right there. Boom. Now we have the AO that comes in. Bang. Move price moves up. We're looking for what? Short again. Big move up. Maybe we take this high top of channel. We get something to print. Boom. We're in. Why? We had the diving triangle to the downside, meaning we're ready to go to lower. There's always lower we could go. At least at a halfway point of this move as well, right? We did ready to D printed on our 42. Our trends are bearish over everywhere. We're getting the clocks now. We had the booms. Did my Wi-Fi just go out? Did we just lose connection for a second? Did my Wi-Fi go out? What happened? Is everybody still here? Can anybody hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Is everything fine? AO PRZ right there. Still hearing the clocks though. Big move off that AO right there. Damn. How many ticks was this? Did we lose connection for a bit or am I tweaking? 63 ticks right there. Damn. We do have a cipher right above. Couldn't turn off the cipher. You hear me? Alright, cool. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Good to hear. Good to hear. Oh, I want to slap a position right there so bad, bro. But the cipher is right above. I hate entering a position and then having a PRZ right next to it. I hate it. Lost connection for a second. Okay. What's good, CJD Algo? How you doing, brother? What's good, everybody? Hope you guys had a great day. Hope you guys had a good trading day as well. It's important to wish people a great trading day. Market sometimes be playing some games. There's a boom that just came in. What does that mean? That means we're good to go on the shorts. Would love to see a move higher here, just a bit, print something, boom, slap shorts. I used to not follow the audio box as much, but now I've come to realize that why wouldn't I? Right? It makes no sense not to follow it. Shorts time, yes, sir. Yes, sir, Brody. Am I losing Wi-Fi again? What's wrong with my fucking internet right now? I have the best internet. I paid for this shit. There's a move higher that we wanted. No real signal. There we go. Big delta here. Big cipher. Boom. And we get the triangle. We're going to enter right there. We're going to Seuss an order a bit higher here to go full position here. Stop will be around the channel here. I'm still hearing the clocks. I'm not a big fan. We have the cipher with the diving triangle. We have the cipher here as well on the 4. You can see it really well. I could put my stop right there, but I could see an opportunity or a reason for us to run this. But at the same time, if we do run this, I could re-enter. I am debating. I'm going to be waiting. I'm going to be leaving my stop rate where it's at right now. I don't mind it. It's a bigger trade here. This is around a full-size trade here. There's a move higher. Yeah, I knew it. I knew there was a possibility. If it prints me something here, I'll just re-enter. I knew that was a possibility. We're still around that area. We're starting to peak above here. Not the best thing I wanted to see, to be honest, for shorts. There's a shark. Ooh, sharks. Sharks are super strong. Ideally, we get something to print here, and we can enter on that, John. All right, we're fully in here. Fully in on that AO and that PRZ right there. This isn't even that big of a trade here. Looking for 20, 30 ticks maybe. We get the ready DD on the 6 as well. And the late night cross. Would love to see it move down. Possible profit taken at the bottom of this channel here. If I hear a boom, I might actually add on to this position. If I hear the booms. This might be a stop out as well. We'll see. I would love to hear a boom. Are you trading a demo live or an eval account? This is a Apex PA. Apex PA. So funded account, I guess. None of the above. Demo, I guess, right? Funded accounts are on demo, but it is a funded account. Oh shit! You got the delta spike now. Possible reversal, yes sir. Yes sir. Give me a move down now. Give me some booms. All I'm waiting for is the booms. I kind of think they're gonna come in too. I can kind of see it coming in. Give me some fucking booms, bro. I'm not gonna get it, am I? I ain't gonna get it. I ain't gonna get it. Coming back to draw down here a little bit. Looking for opposing signal. Looking for price to get a move down. Print something bullish, and we get out. There is a world where I could take the stop off because I can just tell, bro. We've got the red arrow to print now. Like, this thing's ready to go. This thing is ready to go. There's the booms. Oh my god, here we go. Okay, cool. Perfect. Should have taken it at the bottom of the channel here. We're gonna go break even here, nothing else. We're gonna wait for something to print. Ideally, we get a little move lower here. I think there is room to go much lower off that. Would have loved for us to go a bit lower. Damn, I didn't think as soon as we are gonna hit that bottom of the channel, we're gonna bounce right back up. Unfortunate there for me. A little blunder there. Would love to get a second leg here. Don't really want to be taking half right now. Don't really care. Oh. Damn, that's fucked. That is fucked. Actually crazy. Still room, right? Like, we still have that AO, that red DDD right there, and that shark. There's still room to try it again. It's just fucking annoying. Big bearish AO here. We're gonna enter a starter position here off that pink AO. Actually, we're gonna go full size. Oh, a little bit bigger than full size. Oops. It's fine. I'm still hearing the clocks. Ideally, I'd hear the booms coming in soon. But it's very rare that I hear clocks and booms right away after. So we'll see. Stop will be right above that AO. Very tight. 12 ticks. Oop. Did not mean to do that. Actually, 13 ticks. 14 ticks right there. 14 tick stop. Looking for a 25 tick move. There is a world where we could just put some brackets as well with the stop right there, and then TP. We'll run the TP right there for now. Probably gonna get stopped out here though. It's fine though. We're a little too slow right now. Another AO down right there, double cross. There is a little PRZ above though, which is slightly annoying. There's some profit here. Good. Here, give me some booms. The stop above the AOs is actually perfect so far. Yo, KC, what's good, bro? Good to see you here. Dude, give me some booms, bro. We're bearish everywhere. We're ready to go. I'm a bit too slow though. I would love to hear a boom, bro. That's lit. We hear booms, we're going to TP. Everything else is there. Late Nate came in. This is looking a little doomed here. 2 ticks off. 2 ticks off right there again. 2 ticks off right there. Oof. Oof, 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 oof. In short, what? Oh, the enigma launcher came in. Damn. He says, I'm short 1 micro. You could use my ass as a pencil sharpener. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Most definitely. Alright, we're down a little measly 7 right now. I'll get one more trade in. See if we can kind of scoop it back our way. Or if we call this one what it is. And it's AL. Super AO ready to do once again here. Still reacting off that shark tail though, but I would have loved to see it'll move there. I do like this pink. There's this pink AO in the ready DD. Delta on the 4-2. You know what? We're gonna give this one more shot. Very tight stop above the channel here, like that. Yeah, 16 tick stop there. Running a very tight ship around here. Around 400 loss like we usually do. Another delta. Ooh, do I add to this? Hold up. Am I adding to this shit? We got another ready DD right there. We have a ready DD right there. We have the cross. Give me 1 sec to collect my thoughts here. Another one. All right. We're in heavy. We're in heavy. Stop at the high. Went off that triple ready DD right there. The AO, the ready DD here. I mean, listen. Give me a boom and this is wraps. It's wraps. Got a titanium on the 2 short. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, brother. We're going back to VWAP. Yes, sir. Oh, we just got a bullish delta, bro. That's fucked. That's not what we want to see at all. That is not what we want to see one bit, by the way. Not one bit. He's timing 70. We just got a dot on the 6 as well. I mean, I really like this. The bat below. I mean, bro, we're gonna move this to the bat, but as much as I like this, bro, I do need to hear some booms at some point coming in here. And I'm still hearing the clocks. Little unfortunate that we're still hearing some clocks here. I'm just playing the video game, right? Delta shifts right there. I mean, everything's pointing shorts right now. Everything is pointing short. If it ends up going to SL, it's just bad timing, I guess. Little relate Nate cross comes in. It's 10:40. There was a chance we should have probably waited for the macro at this point. GG. GG. It's okay. We got some room. This is a 150K. We got room. We got room. Another divergence down there. We hit a target there. I am from Quebec, yes, sir. Looks like I'm on some pivot highs. Yep, I think so too. I think so too. I think my bias starting to flip back to bullish here. Ready DD and AO. I think next time we get a move down, I might actually be looking to extend some longs. If we get a move down here somewhere and I get a big MACV on the let's say -5, I'm probably gonna send it long actually, and just ride the move. This might be where, although this is a nice area here off this and the divergence there, and now I hear the booms. Okay, we hit the harmonic here, bottom of the channel here. Give me a little pullback and then we'll slap shorts now off those booms. Yeah, now we're just gonna crash through, huh? I guess that's how it is now. We do have that crab here. Might enter on those booms alone and the divergence here. Crab being the draw. Gonna give it a starter position here. Waiting for something to print. If something can print, we're gonna go a little bit more. My full size is usually around 60 to 80. I entered 100 on the last trade, which is not that big of a deal because I'm usually very conservative. We got a bullish dot here, but willing to hold. There's a crab. Hit the crab. AO as well. All right, we'll get out. And this is what I was saying. Now that we have to move down, and we got this, now we're gonna wait for our MACV to give us the bullish entry, and then we're gonna enter bull right here. And we're gonna target those pivot points right there. And then that is how we're going to be good. Literally. I mean, off this alone, I probably could have caught a nice move. That ready to do AO, then it's 70. This with the delta shift right there could go another 60. I'll send it a starter position here. If I hear clocks, I'll enter more. This is the last short of the day. This is make or break right there. This is the make or break right there. We did get the ignition bar to the downside here, but it's fine. Another delta shift there. Going a bit more here. I want the... Yeah, there we go. This looks so much cleaner. This won't affect my decision. Divergence up. Going in. This is it. This is the area, right? This is the trade right there. Looking for 20, 25 ticks, possibly. If we can get more, we'll take more. Would love to hear some clocks coming in here. Would love to hear some clocks. I'm willing to hold this a little bit here. I'm considering going break even though. But I don't really see why. We didn't get anything bearish to print. We're bouncing off the bottom of the channel here on the 4. Looking, we got the divergence on the 6. There is lower to go though. You know what, we will. Yeah. It says, which platform are you with to trade MNQ? Apex. EA seems to be banned for Quebecers. And I trade Apex. Apex works fine. We are still at the bottom of the channel. I just want to hear a clock. Oh, we get some nice PRZ there. We're gonna go off those PRZ, stop right there. It's just not that big of a trade here. But I'm willing to send it a little bit more, or a little bit bigger. If we can hear some clocks. There's a clock. There's nothing extra could sink you, bro. I know, but I'm not too worried. Look at this PRZ ladder right there. Very tempting to double here. On the pullback, I might actually send a double. If we get one. If it just goes, I'll take. But on the pullback, I might actually send a double. That Titanic is almost on the 2, right? We get the divergence on the 6. I mean, I feel like the 6 always overpowers the 2. There's the pullback coming in hot. Here we go. This is where we're going. We're going in heavy here. We're going in very heavy here. We have the nice PRZ above. The highs are ripe for the taking. I think we're good to go here. There we go. Nice. Give me like a 25er. Or opposing signal. Anything. Very nice entry here. I like that. Alright. Now we're just gonna protect here. And ideally we can kind of push through here. Get this last bit of move that we need. Alright. We're gonna get out there. We're gonna get out right there on that butterfly on top of channel here. Next thing, and Almighty Flows will kill everything bloody NASDAQ. Yeah, literally. Literally. I'm still looking to go long here, to be honest. I mean, let me just change this. Actually, I'll keep the tide bearish. I'll put the wave bullish. To me, this is headed right there. And I don't really see a good reason for me not to want to take the trade up to there. I'm just looking at this, maybe possibly see price come down. It's too slow. We're going to drop down to our 1. The macro's coming in soon here. Like, that's a pretty cleaned up trend if I've ever seen one. We still have the bullish divergence trying to go over. We have the green arrow. The nerd, what's our nerd saying? Nerd is not moderate sound. Nerd's been lagging though. Nerd is bugged. All right, there's a super AO with the bottom of the channel here. PRZ above. I don't mind it. I don't mind it. I'll wait a bit though. We've got some great speed right now. There's a dot right there. There's a delta right there. Perfect. Give me a move here. Give me a play. Give me a play. Confirm my play. Do it. Do it. I dare ya. I dare you to do it. NQ, bitch. Oh, my bad. For real though, I dare NQ to do it. I've been playing a lot tonight. I'm actually not that crazy about it. Like I've been making jokes and stuff, but like I'm actually very chill. If you guys join the free Discord, trade with me in the morning, you guys will see. I don't know why I'm cracking jokes tonight. I would like to see something though. I've been getting really good moonshots recently. If you guys like what you're seeing, you guys can subscribe to see more of it. If you guys have any questions, drop them down in the chat. I answer everything. Literally. We are down 500 right now, but we're making our way back. We've recovered. We have one more trade. One more W trade. There's Unima, there's the dot, and the AO. Alright, we're in. We're in and we're in heavy. 26. Alright, we'll just take it right there. On this as well, the AO, another dot there. We had the Enigma, the AO, the dot, the bottom of the channel. We had everything there. We just took it for a quick bag. Ended up netting us nice 30 ticks here. Now we're back where we were. Very nice little play here, very fast. See how fast that was, guys. Got the play, boom, reacted, took it, boom, took everything off there, bang. Now we're on the $194 in drawdown. Very quickly, very scalpy, very boop. You guys got to be fast. I used to be a pro gamer back in my day. I'm actually not even kidding, by the way. Well, not a pro gamer. I never actually ended up going pro because I was in school. But I had the rank and the potential to. Fun fact. If you guys guess the game and the mode, I will gift a prop from account. Big moves here, super fast. Also, if you guys do want to be a part of a proper giveaway, I have a WAP, and you guys can go over there. If you guys are part of the WAP, part of the Discord, you can leave a review. If you can leave a good review, if you get to 15 reviews there, I'll drop I'll do a giveaway. So if you guys do want to get involved and want to be part of the giveaway, you can go leave me a review on WAP. If not, that's all totally fine. It's all totally up to you. If you just want something more simple, please like the stream. It helps me out a ton as a content creator. Content creation has always been a dream of mine, right? Trading became my career. Trading became my passion 8 years ago, but I've been creating content since I was basically 12. I'm 27 now, right? So it's been like a long time. I've had 4 or 5 different YouTube channels, always trying to kind of create content, entertain people, and it's the person that's really taken off a little bit more, so it's great. Python, no sir. Nice move up here. We're back to being bullish. I appreciate all the likes and everything, guys. I feel like such a sellout whenever I ask, but like PS 27. Look older than you. On God, bro. Birthday was 21st of May. Turned 27. Swear to God. Swear to God, brother. Born in 99. Do I have my ID next to me? I don't. I have a picture, maybe. If you really don't believe me, I can show you a picture of it. Let me just go to ChatGPT really quick. I'm kidding. He says, "Oh shit, I turned 20 May 15. Let's go. You're only 20. Damn. You're 20? It's okay, baby girl. I don't want us to know. My fault. I love that meme, bro. But yeah, holy shit. May 15th. Let's go. May is the best month, bro. I don't even care. I don't even care, bro. June, July, whatever. It's too hot, bro. May is perfect. At least where I'm at. Get some nice temp for the birthday. Dude, I really hope that I can get an entry before 11. They will be getting off at 11. It says, very unfortunately, I'm 20, so I can't drink or gamble in the US. That's why Canada is on top. Yeah, but Canada has its problems, bro. I'm taxed. I'm getting taxed basically 50 to 60%, bro. So ideally, yeah, I'd rather not drink. Let's just put it this way. I'd rather not be able to drink, for sure. To be fair, though, I declared not a lot. Like, hopefully nobody works for the Canada in the chat, but I declared a little suspicious or a little sus what I did. And I gotta get my shit together for this year, for sure. I cannot be living my life with the lifestyle that I have with what I declare. Let's just put it this way. Let's just put it this way. At least I used you guys as a tax write-off a little bit this year, even though I'm not making any profit from. I didn't sell anything. I didn't make any money from anything with Discord and stuff, but I'm still using it as a tax write-off. Ooh, sorry about that. I had to hit a little sneeze there. All right, bottom of channel here. He says, if you come to the U.S., register an LLC as an S corp, and you can list yourself as a self-employed for 85% tax write-off. Then, yeah, bro, I know I did that here, but here, bro, Canada's so ass. I'm telling you, I'm moving out of here as soon as possible, bro. ASAP, I'm moving out of here. We got a super AO right there, bottom of channel here, looking for maybe an entry here. Saw our position here. Add on some more there. Now we're basically full position here. Stop is gonna run probably like below here ish. Looking for us to hear some clacks. Too slow on the one though, it's not good. Probably want to be out of here ASAP. Probably want to be out of here ASAP. There we go. Let me take this off here for a sec. Put some bracket. We got the dot that just came through. Love that for us. The price is where my stop would usually be. There we go. Perfect. Let's get it. Let's get it. I would have liked to hear some clacks. My TP's only at 10 ticks, but it is what it is. I mean, this channel's coming down heavy here, and we're basically break even here. Not the best. Not the best entry by me. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. Not the best entry by me here. This which time frame you use? This works in AlgoBars. If you do have a question, you can go in the description and look at the documentation. It's AlgoBars basically takes away the time aspect of it all, and hold up. All right, we're gonna get out there. It basically takes away the time aspect of it all and kind of reveals new patterns within price by taking the time out of it. If you're asking which time frame I use in the morning when I trade, I don't want to say normally, but with TradingView and stuff and my actual broker, I use the 4 hour, the hourly, the 15, the 5, the 1, and the 15 second. We just got a green dot to print on the 6 here. Should we take a little trade here just to end up in profit, or we call it there? I see interesting. You teach this? Yeah. I teach my way that I've been training for 8 years more, but I am learning this to be able to teach it to you guys because I do think algo trading is pretty cool and it's pretty awesome, right? It's, normal trading is not for everybody. So I like to, right? They always say 1% of traders make it. Well, they're right. And I call it no revenge trading here. Oh no, for sure. That's definitely not revenge trading, brother. Revenge trading is when you're pissed off and you know you want to over leverage, oversize, over trade. This is all part of the game here. Don't you worry about it. We're in control. The discipline that we have here, the composure. We know that we're not here to waste our time, right? So I always say when you gamble an account, you're not just gambling the account. You're gambling your time. You're wasting your time. You're wasting my time. You're wasting everybody's time, basically. So this is sort of tracking the algos in candle form. Yeah, basically, right? It's let's say you're on the 1 AlgoBars rock or the 4 AlgoBars rock, right? Well, the 1 is every 1 tick a bar forms. The 4 is every 4 ticks a bar forms. So every 4 tick it goes boop 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 boop. Right? Same thing for all the other ones. So basically, yeah. that's kind of how that works. It's pretty cool when you think about it, right? It really reveals new pattern and price. You can still see trend, you can still see everything that's kind of noteworthy there, right? But it does reveal new things. And then the algo just kind of uses a bunch of indicators together. You pick the ones you like, you put them on the chart, and then some of them are quant based, some of them are mathematical based, some of them are pattern based, some of them are volume based, some of them are basically anything, right? You can basically get anything really, and some of them are price based, whatever. And then like you have your Elliott waves, your harmonic patterns, your deltas, your RSIs, your Bollinger Bands, your MACV, your EMAs, and then you have on top of that you have entry, you have the Flowmaster, and the audio box, basically all those things, right? And then what was the question? So very fast movement, yes sir. I use it for scalping, right? It's for ticks, not. And yeah. So what was it? What was the question though? What was I? Which time frames do I use? Basically, right? If I teach this, I do want to. I don't want to like. I don't want it to become my identity, but I do want it to. I would like to teach it. Basically, is it hard to use? It's overwhelming at first, but it's very easy to use. It prints. You take it. You have to study a bit, but that's basically for anything, right? If you think you can just join anything and not study and just make it, that's just not how life works. So there is some studying to do. There's 8-day boot camp that I did, and I took notes. I have hella notes on it, and then it took me a while, and then you kind of figure it out. You test it out. You could go market replay, stuff like that, see how it works in real time. And you connect your broker, try it out, and then you see how you feel for yourself. They do have a 2-week free trial if you do want to try it out. In the description, there's a link with my name. Click on that. Boom. Try it out. See how you feel. It says, nice, I'm a scalper tail. I'd like to learn scalp 10, 20 points. Yes, sir. Look here, I'm going to give you a link. Try it out if you want. If you have an Ninja Trader, download it. Try it out. Use this link here. It gets you the biggest discount possible. Try it 2 weeks. Once you try the 2-week free trial, they're going to send you an email with an even bigger discount. I'm pretty sure you can use that. And then, yeah, if you're interested, you can definitely try it out for free. I know for a fact that they're taking away the 2-week free trial. So if you guys do want to try it out, it is pretty awesome. It's a very awesome tool. There's also a bot in it and smart prop from risk if you do want to kind of put it on, right there. Kind of set this up. The bot as well, you can kind of set this up with all their strategies predefined. And me, I pay my bills by trading, or I'm a full-time trader. So in the morning, I have to trade my normal way. I like to trade my normal way. I love it. I trade live in the free Discord. I talk with people. I enjoy it. I've been trading for 8 years. I've been having the free Discord for about a year. I love teaching. I love showing you guys how I trade. I love kind of showing you guys how to do it for yourselves as well. And this is new, right? It's 6 months or maybe even less, maybe 4 months I've been doing this. I like it, right? It's about a month now that I've been streaming it every night, or maybe even less than that. And I fuck with it. I think I have a decent grasp of it, on it, and I have a good enough understanding of the markets to be able to kind of stream it live and answer questions on it. Am I the creator? No. The creator is Vinny Mini. You guys can go check out his channel called AlgoBox on YouTube. Do I think the tool is super awesome? Yes, I think it's possible to be profitable off of this alone. Definitely. I think it just goes on your style and what you like more. And then, yeah, I mean, listen, at the end of the day, trading is I always say never, ever, ever copy somebody's strategy, okay? Never, ever, ever. Make it your own. Everybody's different. Every human is different. Everybody thinks differently. Everybody acts differently. Everybody reacts differently. Everybody does everything differently, right? We're all a bit different. So every single strategy you see online, 93% win rate, whatever, it's not going to work. You have to learn the market. You have to tweak it a little bit. You have to have the discipline and the composure to keep calm, and then you have to execute, right? The strategy doesn't even fucking matter. You can just click buy randomly, and if you have a good mindset, it will work out. So yeah, that's basically kind of what I belong in that train of thought, or like in that kind of school of thought, I should say. So from there, you decide, right? You want to learn from me, you want to learn the way I trade, cool. You want to learn AlgoBox, cool as well. Obviously I made the big bucks and the most money with my normal way, but I've been trading it for way longer, right? So it's hard to compare. I also have bigger accounts, more accounts. Anyways, get it. It's a hard line to walk, because I don't want people to see me trading this and think, oh, this guy can't fucking trade, or oh, this guy sucks, he's not profitable. That's not the point. I'm doing this for content creation, right? I pay my bills in the morning and then I create content, basically. Okay, so this is your main trading. Oh no, my main trading is like this, right? But it is a very good way, and it is definitely profitable, and I recommend trying it. Honestly, give it a shot. It's free, right? You try it for free for 2 weeks. Why not? And then you like it, you stick with it. You don't like it, I mean, obviously you need to try something for more than 2 weeks and make sure you like it. Nothing's gonna work out in 2 weeks. If you think 2 weeks is enough time for something to work out, like I have some hard news to tell you, but it's enough to tell yourself, okay, yeah, I do fuck with this, or no. Does you trade FPG concepts? Not really. I wouldn't consider myself an ICT trader either. I think I kind of developed my own way, not really, but a little bit. I definitely made up my own strategy. I call it the JD model, but I don't use ICT concepts a lot. I use a lot of like just kind of chart analysis and stuff like that. But ICT concepts, I know them. I used to trade ICT like 4 or 5 years back, and then I made my own thing, and it ended up working better for me. I have teaching videos on ICT. I can teach it. I know it by heart, but I don't want to associate myself with ICT as much as I don't want to associate myself with anything. I want to be my own person, right? I like to be my own person. What has Bryce been doing all this time? Because I want to learn your scalping method, your own one. So when I trade in the morning, I don't scalp. I day trade. Sometimes I'm in a trade for a minute, sometimes I'm in a trade for 30 seconds, but sometimes I'm in a trade for 30, 45 minutes. It depends. But I trade live. You can join the free Discord. Links in the bio as well, I'm pretty sure, or in the description. But I trade live every single morning from 9:25 to around 10:30 a.m. depending on if I took a trade or not. Yeah, I'm not here to sell anything. You guys want to try AlgoBox? Cool. If you like it, you buy it. Perfect. I could, really push you guys to try it and try to get as much sale and affiliate revenue, whatever, but I don't need it, and I believe you guys are entitled to making your own decisions. He says you stream it, you stream it, so a day on average, how many points do you target? Well, let's say this morning I got 42 points. But sometimes we can get to 100. It depends. It really depends. It really depends. Respect. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. We have an AO on the 6. AO on the 1 as well. It's past my trading time. Unfortunately, by answering all those questions, we've gone past 11 p.m. I am a man that follows his rules, though. I do not trade past 11 p.m. Unfortunately, we are at that time, so I will wish you guys a great night of sleep. I will be live tomorrow morning in the free Discord for sure at 9:25 a.m. I hope you guys have a super wonderful day tomorrow. If you guys want to join the free Discord, and if you guys want, you can like, comment, and subscribe to the stream. Subscribe to the channel. I fuck with every single one of you. You guys can also leave the review on the wall, like I said before. And other than that, I wish you guys a great night. How to join the Discord? Links in the description of the screen of the stream, or it should be at least. I think the link is wrong actually in the Discord. Hold on, let me fix that for you. The link changed. Let me fix that. Good eye on you as well to make me realize that the link is wrong. There we go. Now the link fucking changed again, bro. All right, well, whatever. Here's the link. Other than that, why did the link change again? I might have to figure this out, aren't I? Server settings. Anyways, this is all a problem for me. Hope you guys have a great night, and peace out, people. Love you.